Good afternoon. I just thought I'd do another video today. I'm not very good at this video thing, but it's fall and I'm getting ready to put our garden beds to rest. But I live in Toronto, Canada, and we have a small, very, very small backyard. And in a moment, I'm going to show you what I've been trying to do in terms of growing some food and keeping my what should I call it? My hobby alive. I like gardening, but a whole lot of people have no idea how much work is involved and costs. There is a significant um, cost involved, not only in terms of dollars and cents, but energy. And like most backyard gardeners, when you don't plant on a huge scale, and even in some cases, even if you do, you can lose your entire crop in one sweep. There are farmers who, due to natural disaster, the fire or drought or pest invasions, can lose their entire crop. And I've had, at least in 2 years, similar experiences, especially with my sweet corn. Woke up one morning, 2 years now in a row, and the entire batch of corn was decimated. And that's it. All of your planting and watering and all the things you've done. Purchasing seed and fertilizing and building compost and all that kind of stuff. It's gone in a moment's time. So it can be frustrating, but it also is very rewarding. Because of the pandemic, a lot of us have been um, forced to, and thankfully we still have a job to work from home. And in between, pounding away at the laptop or being on the phone, you take a moment during the summer and walk out back and you pick a tomato here or whatever it is that you plant. I was outside one day and my lovely wife came through the back door and I thought she was coming to see me. She went straight to our herb garden, harvested some thyme, and went back in to prepare our meal, and that felt so good. But I'm going to show you um, one of the issues I've been dealing with. Anything to do with backyard gardening comes with its own share of trials. Of course, we've got local squirrels here, and and chipmunks, and the occasion raccoons, and other things, rabbits. And no offense to the gardeners who are sorry, no offense to the farmers who plant on a large scale, but I've seen um, great fields of corn and other things, and I'm wondering, why do the squirrels and these little local pests come and bother my little one or two plants when there's such a big, you know, um, table spread out there? But anyhow, it is what it is. So backyard gardeners will tell you that you have to be always on the guard just to make sure you don't waste your time and your money. And unfortunately, or fortunately, we have neighbors who have trees, and with trees come roots, and some of these roots find their way into our yard. There's nothing we can do about it, and because the houses are close to each other, and as you can tell, there's a neighbor house there, and I'm going to show you in a moment. Um, and so yeah, the roots come across underneath the fence and into your garden bed, and if you got roots in your bed, that's it. You're actually indirectly taking care of their neighbor's trees. So even when other leaves around are falling, these trees look robust and green because these invasive roots are sucking the nutrients out of your garden bed. So uh, here we go. I'm going to show you what we've been up to. Take a look. So yes, there goes the neighbors. Neighbors are all around. There's a tree, and some of these roots they are twice, maybe three times as long as the full branches. So they spread quite a bit into our property, and we've been seeing a reduction in the the vitality of the beds. And so here's what I've been up to for the last few weeks. It's backbreaking. So we've got to excavate all the soil from our beds, see where the roots are coming in, and try to block those roots. Um, we've put down plastic and cardboard and leaf mulch, and then have to put the soil back in. So it's not easy. So when you when you go to the farmers market, not that we don't sell. This is only for our use. But when you go to the farmers market and you see the price there, if you can't afford it, don't just walk away, because it's a lot of work, a lot of work. So here we are. This is the soil taken out of the beds, and I'm trying to block the roots, and we're gonna put the soil back in. So I'll show you in the next video what the end result is. But in the meantime, see you later. Let's go to work. Take care. Bye bye.